Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. We're going to do March 18th through the 24th, and you guys, I need another quick week. So I went again to victoriathatcher.com and look at these new lilacs that she has. Aren't they so pretty? So I do have some other stuff, but again, I just wanted quick and easy. I wanted it so quick and so easy that I didn't even print it on sticker paper. I wanted to show you can just use regular printer paper. And then I just have a glue pen. And this one works really good. It's the planner glue pen. So I'm just going to be using that one. And we're going to go ahead. I pulled out a lilac colored washi, and this says Be Wonderful, just over and over and over again. So I think we will use that. Oh, what did I do? Okay, I don't know what I did here, but so let's go ahead and get started. I don't know exactly where I'm going to want this washi tape, but I think I want some right across the bottom here, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, we're gonna see, because I'm not real sure. I think what I'm gonna do, actually, I went for the bottom, but I'm gonna go for the top here. So I'm gonna put some right across the top here. Just start out with Be Wonderful. Just straight across the top. And then today I'm going to just use a gift card to tear it right where I need it. And then I'll probably put another little bit right down here. And again, just the same. Be Wonderful, and I think we'll be done with the washi, but I'll keep it here just in case. And then we can just start cutting this out. This is really pretty. So quick, again, quick and easy. I'm not even going to have time to really waste on getting to try a paper trimmer or anything like that. So don't you ever have those days where it's just, oh my gosh, I gotta get this done? But I love planning so much, and I want my planner to be just oh so pretty. So I don't know if I want this or if I want this. I think I want this part. I really love the lilac part. And I think we'll get the gist of it. And I don't have really anything for Sunday, so I think we can just go right here all the way across. So again, I'm just going to take my planner glue pen and go right across. Now, I got this planner glue pen at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that I went to last year. All the planner girls had it and said it's the best one, so I bought one while I was there. And I, if you haven't heard, am going to be a speaker at the Wandering Planners Expo, and we're going to be making a workshop. It'll be a workshop speaker, and I'm going to be making a planner like dashboard for your greeting cards and postage and stuff like that. So I'm super excited about that. I'm just going to go through and I'm going to cut these out rather quickly. And this is the Erin Condren size. You can also print it, I believe it's at 80%. and get it to the Happy Planner size. But since I'm not using either one of those for my planners this year, I think what I've got is just going to be fine because they fit in there very nicely. So I'm going to go straight up here. And these are so pretty, these little lilacs. I just couldn't not do this one. So as I'm going to cut this a little bit better than that. I'm just going to kind of set them down where I want them and cut the top off. And I love that you could just get that out of there. So I really like that with one click of the scissors. When they're smaller like that, I just use the scissors. I don't think I'm going to need the half boxes. I don't typically do half boxes, so I think we'll be fine with this. I don't know what it is about these purple flowers that just remind me of my mom. So, sweet peas. She really likes sweet peas. I love sweet peas, and I think I just got that from her. And I don't know, maybe these lilacs remind me of sweet peas because they come kind of in the same color. So I'm also going to be doing, I'm also going to be having a booth there. Denise and I will be there at the Pomona Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. And we will have paper pumpkins galore there. So I'd love to have you guys come by, like especially come to my workshop, or you know, if you're at the expo, if you're in Southern California, then stop by. Make sure if you are at the expo, definitely come see me. So I love meeting all of you beauties. And then of course after that I'll be going to Salt Lake City for the Stampin' Up! Demonstrator on stage. They have those twice a year. And I met so many beauties when I went to the one in Orlando. So I'm super excited to be able to meet more beauties. I didn't know how many beauties were actually Stampin' Up! Demonstrators as well. It's so awesome. And again, just still cutting these little guys out, chit-chatting with you. So if you're not a chit-chatter when it comes to planning, this is probably not the planning channel that you want. Maybe, I don't know, I think I chit-chat on all of my videos. But I hope you're chit-chatty, because I just feel like I'm talking directly to you guys. So, and sometimes it feels like I hear your answers. Like when I ask, like, what should I do with this? I feel like you guys are over there answering me. And I know some of you have told me that you actually answer out loud, which is totally funny and awesome. So I definitely need these. And I love that she puts these in here too. She makes these all on her own. I think that's so great. I'm going to take that little piece out. When you can't see me very well, it's because I'm trying to get rid of this little tiny strip. But I want it to fall off of the planner. So that's what I'm doing, off the page. And then, I don't think I'm going to need that one, but I'll save it right there. So, and all of her stuff is free. So that's what's really cool. So I may put this one here. In fact, I think I'm going to. We're just going to move these around. And I'm going to do a checklist here. For sure. And those little checklists fit perfectly in there. we'll do a checklist there, and we'll do another checklist because I have so many things to do. I'm going to actually put this checklist kind of over here. All right, let's see what we have here because these are beautiful. Okay. Look how pretty that is. Put that here. And that one there. This is so pretty. And we may change some of these out, so we will see. Look at how pretty that is. I think this one's going to go here. And really, I think we could be done here. I think I'm going to cut this one down. There we go. I love that we could just cut them down however we'd like. And you put that there and that there. I think we're good. Okay. I may. Okay. I think I am going to end up using this little one because I do have so much that needs to be done this week because that, I'm telling you, you guys, that expo thing is just driving me nuts. So much stuff all of a sudden. So I think I'm pretty good with just this. And then we'll see. I don't think I'm going to use this guy at all right now. So now I'm just going to take my little guys here and run them along. And you know what? They're telling me the truth. This is a little nice glue pen like this. It's really sticky. Now where did I have it? Oh, here we go. So I will just go bit by bit. I'm just going to have a little piece here. I don't think you can see it. There we go. That I'm going to be able to just go right across. And the same with this side. And that's how I'll be putting these on. I could probably even use my little Stampin' Up! Pickup tool to get this going. But, okay. I am going to put this all together, and then I will have it at the end of the video, and I also will put it on my Instagram. And so I hope you guys join me and watch all the way to the end so you could see this. And then also check out my Instagram. And I think there is a, well, I don't think, I know there is a giveaway running as well. So if you haven't checked that out, check it out because there is, if you can get points or extra entries if you subscribe on my Instagram. And I think I'm going to change this out. No, I need the space to write in it. I have over 69,000 of you beauties, and I know that I have less than 2,000 Instagram followers, so I know so many of you guys could still follow me. So I'm going to put this guy right in here. And I did not know Wednesday is the first day of spring. See, it's the little planner things that let us know. So, oh, I saw, while I'm doing this, I saw the funniest little meme. And it said that now that St. Patrick's Day is over, we can go back to our regular nationality. And then we'll see you all again on May 5th for Cinco de Mayo, when we all pretend that we are Mexican. So yesterday we were Irish, and and then on May 5th we will be all Mexican. So that's funny. Denise had sent that to me, and it's funny because she is actually half Irish and half Mexican. So for her, it's hilarious. All right, let me know in the comments how you guys celebrated, if you did. I remember one year I had made, oh my goodness, so many corned beef cabbage. And I was working at a hotel. And I made corned beef and cabbage with potatoes for the entire guest list at the hotel. We made so much. And Tony helped me, the kids helped me, everyone helped me make corned beef and cabbage for all the guests at my little Residence Inn hotel. So, all right, that's probably not the kind of stuff that you like to hear, but some of you guys always ask me about like little things that are happening in my life, so I thought I would take this time as I'm gluing just to let you know. Is that going to fit in there? It is, because I cut it down to fit perfectly. There we go. Look at how pretty that is. And then I'll still use some of my regular, like my little coffees and stuff like that in here. But I'll pick out the ones that match. So if you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up, and again, subscribe, and make sure you check out like my Instagram and all that stuff. I'll put the link down below for you. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and add my stickers on there, and then I will show you the finished product. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye!